Hey there, fellow wanderers, and welcome back to the Wandering Gypsy RV Life. As you know, those of you who have been following along, power management and power safety is one of the key tenets of my Rolling Smooth Real Lessons from the Road series. Because Bertie Bea doesn't like surprises, and you know her electrical systems don't either. That includes my microwave, my refrigerator, my televisions, my computers. They definitely don't like surprises. They want to have clean, uninterrupted power. And today I've got the Hughes 50 amp power center, which will protect Bertie Bea not only from surges, but brownouts, blackouts, and any park circuitry issues when it comes to power. Let's get this installed.